Well, good day, viewers, and welcome to Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. And the snowstorm that we were supposed to get yesterday that didn't come, and then last night it sort of came. So we did get a little bit of snow in the drifts in some places. I guess I'd say maybe 2-foot drifts, maybe, but then there was places where, like right out front of here on the garage door was bare, and then up in front of the car up there was bare. So some spots got it and some spots didn't. Anyway, I kind of didn't get any video of clearing the snow today. My daughter kind of had to come here in a hurry with the two grandchildren, and one grandchildren had to go to the hospital, and so we were with the other grandchild this afternoon. And anyway, I had to do a quick cleanup of the driveway so she could get in. And then this morning I had to fix one of my propane fireplaces, and I know I can't do that again for a living. Holy cats, my knees, and I could hardly get up off the floor. Because everything you work on propane is got to be down on your knees or laying on your side, one or the other. Anyway, I got it fixed, but boy, I wouldn't want to be doing that for a living anymore, that's for sure. So anyway, I got the driveway cleaned up so she could get in, and I didn't get any video of that. So there is still some to do, so maybe tomorrow. You can kind of see beside the truck there's a bank, and then say in places there's nothing, and other places there's a bit of snow. So I'll have to go all the way around everything, I guess, and just do a quick cleanup. Up on the deck, you can see a little bit up on the deck up there, right by the door. Yeah, it might be about 6 inches deep or so there. Anyway, yesterday was a day of going into town to doing a few things, and then all of a sudden my son phones and says, "Do you want to go get a car?" And I said, "Yeah, all right." So went and rented a car hauler, a trailer, and away we go to get a car. Anyway, he bought a 2017 Escape with motor troubles, I guess. So he's going to see if he can fix her up and use it for himself. And I got the fire going. I haven't really been out here all day. I wasn't out here yesterday either. Anyway, a little car, I guess somebody had changed the oil at it somewhere and put the wrong filter on it, and the woman got out on the road and pushing her along to get home, I guess, or something, and the oil filter blew off, and all oil exited the engine, and there you are. Anyway, it still runs. They say that the rods and the bearings and rod bearings and main bearings are gone in it, but the thing still starts and runs. So the noise seems to me like it's up top, not down the bottom, but we really haven't had a good look at it yet. So anyway, that'll be something we'll do Saturday, I guess. Anyway, the little car's it's got a fair amount of kilometers on it, but anyway, got it for a good deal, and if he can get it running and whatever and drive it for 2 years, then it's a good deal. If not, he can probably get his money back by selling it himself. So that's where that is. So yeah, so yesterday I didn't come out here, and today I only kind of rushed out here and took out the John Deere and give her a quick clean up for the daughter to get in, and busy, I guess. So the poor grandson hurt himself here this afternoon. One thing, it's another. Another fellow used to say, if it's not one thing, it's two things. Anyhow, I'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll see if I can get something for the video on the snow removal. It really wasn't a good day for doing any videoing anyway. It was windy all day and the snow was blowing. Even though it was sunny out like it is now, it wasn't a very nice day. And it still continues for wind tomorrow, so I'll just have to see whether I go out in it or not. If not, I'll get it on another day. So, oh yes, I want to thank Bob at Boater Bob's channel. He did a shout out and a sticker placement there today. Thanks very much, Bob. It was very well done. Very well done video. Thank you very much. There's the tractor he was talking about right there. Case 446. That's the one that's got the hole in the middle of the carburetor. And it is a garden tractor, Bob. It's not calculated, or how do you say that? It's not a subcompact anyway. It's just a garden tractor. But it does the work. And so does that one. And oh, there's that one there. Look at that one. It's always jumping in the front of the camera. Jumping that thing anyway. Yeah, and this fellow here. And I don't know what else I was going to say. I'm kind of just off kilter today, I guess. And here's another week gone by that I didn't get to that mowing deck over there. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. The wood pile fell down on me. A different one. And it's funny how you know that's going to happen, and you know it's going to happen, and you say to yourself, I should do something with that before something happens. Well, of course, I didn't do anything. Picked out the wrong rock at the bottom of the dike, and everything come falling down there. So, well, not everything, but anyway, I got to get that stuff off the top and get it fished down to here, on this level here, just so it doesn't fall down anymore. And the wood is going. So I don't know if I got enough or not. I got 3 months of burning yet, so. Next 2 months are going to take a lot of wood, or like the normal amount daily, and then it'll slow down. So that's that. I guess that's about all I got for you for today. So, nothing too exciting. John Deere worked great. So it was cold today too. It's -2 at the moment, but earlier today it was a lot colder than that. And that wind, 60-kilometer-an-hour gust wind that gusts 50 seconds out of every 60 seconds. Yeah, it was cold today. Anyway, yeah, right. I guess I better stop rambling like I normally do. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. If it's a nice day, I might take that one out. And if it's not, I might take this one out. I might take that one out. Or maybe this one. All right, I gotta stop. Have a great day wherever yous are at and whatever yous are doing. And we'll chat at yous again. Goodbye.